Welcome back to the RoboFuntastic after a long time. But don't worry, I'm still here.
We have been building a super cool drawing robot that turned out pretty awesome, follows the RC commands, and also works with micro. But it still needs some improvement as we are in the R&D process. This time I needed to improve my robot design, so I took some help from different AI tools and the design. Yeah, these were some inspiration for me to design my own robot.
No, I think this is a perfect fit for the cells. I have to go solder it. So you can see the cell 2000 milliamps and 3.7 volts. So these are three cells that I'm going to connect with C in series. This is very tight space to get hand on it. Now our batteries are installed, and now we are going to install the stepper motor, and in here our circuit is hiding under this cover. This is very tough to get it out, but from this angle in here you can see there's a circuit. Now that was the original Davinci robot. That was very basic. So now we are disassembling it, and this stepper motor, we are going to use in the new one. I have also made a new circuit. Now this circuit is really useless for us. Now this was the screw to mount the wheel. It's very tight. Yeah. Do you know that we have made a blunder in the robot design? Okay, in this robot design, we were hoping that we will fit the motor this way. Okay, this side. Now this thing, these wire thing is blocking, is being blocked by the design.
The ground clearance is very small, but we do not need much because the robot is designed to run on a smooth surface. These rings are made out of rubber material, so they can grip the surface well and create more friction between the surface and the wheel.
And now I finally have finished the circuit on this robot. It was very complex. Look at the wires tangling. I made a PCB, but still this is very messy because there are a lot of wires going on, and up to their positions to the components. This is a cute looking button or switch to start with. Let's start. Yeah, the circuit is working, and now I'm finally getting the chance to remove the tape from these LEDs, and I've waited for it patiently for a while. For this vlog, there will be something that is still a surprise for you. Let's now turn on the robot from this switch. Now, what will be the ideal case scenario for the rotation of this robot? Okay, I have indicated this axis. If the robot rotates about this axis and it maintains this axis during the rotation, then the motion is ideal for us. So let me turn on the robot like that, and let's see if it maintains this. I think it is maintaining quite efficiently. or this is able to draw the straight line, and it can rotate. Okay, and I have like given it certain parameters like course rate at this speed 150 millimeter per second, and 1000 millimeters, it means 1 meter, and then delay, and then it will rotate with 5 degrees per second, and it will rotate 180-degree. Okay, and you can see this the whole process. And now let's see what this guy does. Okay, the radius parameters that I input is not exact, and also the width, and this is doing great job, not missing the step, and even following my input speed. I'm very satisfied with it.
And now I have uploaded the code of a complex pattern. So let's see what the robot does.
Now this is a sun, almost like a sun. This is the final loop, and after that I will turn it off, and you can see the pattern is very amazing. Yeah, thank you buddy, you did it. RoboFuntastic. Yeah, and still there is a lot of work that I will have to do on it. And now this is easily removable. This is not the permanent marker. Now I have given some G code to it, and now let's see what it prints. This has, look at that, the lines that are missing, the pen was not properly like connected to the ground, but the shape is exactly what we have input. That's it for today. In the next video I will still be complaining about the robot and figuring out how to make it better. Now you guys can do like, subscribe, share, and whatever you can possibly do, and see you next time.